Hey YouTube, this is my 2021 Polygon D5. I got this 4 months ago. I paid $10.99 for this USD and spent about $400 in upgrades. Now this is not a review but a quick walkthrough of what I've done on this bike. Now the tires that came with this are just garbage. I got a flat after 2 weeks of ownership, so I replaced it with Continental Mountain King. They're tubeless. They are 27.5 and the width is 2.3. I installed a dropper post by TranzX. This particular model is called, sorry my camera is out of focus, Kitsuma Air. Okay, the dropper has one 70mm travel. I paid $159 for it, and the trigger is sold separately. This one is also by TranzX. I paid $40 for it. Okay, let me show you. There you go. Okay, what else? I replaced the stem and the handlebar. Now the handlebar is, I think it's better than the original. The original is a straight bar. Now this one has a 20mm rise. So with this bar, I'm more upright. Okay, what else? Oh yeah, the saddle. I got this a week ago. And this is made in Germany. And it's more comfortable than the original. Okay. And pedals. The pedals that came with this bike is just garbage. So this one is an Alston. So all of the items I'm showing you, I got them all on Amazon. Okay. Oh yeah. Got the Mud Guard as well. Alright, if you have any question, just put it down below and I'll include all the items in the description. Thank you for watching.